Unit of length, mass and capacity. First, we start by the unit of length. The main unit of length is meter. It has multiples that are kilometer, hectometer and decameter, and sub-multiples that are decimeter, centimeter and millimeter. And if we want to convert from a larger unit to smaller unit, we use times. And if we want to convert from small unit to larger one, we use divide. Let's practice now how to convert the following units. The first one, 17 meter, we want to convert it into centimeter. You can see that between meter and centimeter we have 2 units, so we multiply by 100. 17 times 100 equal 1700. The second example, 2.4 decameter, we want to convert it to centimeter. You can see that between decameter and centimeter we have 3 steps, so we multiply by 1000 and the result will be 2400 because we move the point 3 steps. 120 kilometer to hectometer. From kilometer to hectometer we use 10, so 120 times 10 equal 1200. Here we have 7000 millimeter. We want to convert it into meter, means from a small unit to larger one, so we use divide. And between millimeter and meter we have 3 steps, so we divide it by 1000 and the result is 7. 6 meter to hectometer. Between meter and hectometer we have 2 steps, so we divide by 100. The last one, 2.9 centimeter to decameter, we divide by 1000 because we have 3 steps and the result is 0.0029. For mass also we have a table. The main unit of mass is gram. Its multiples are kilogram, hectogram, decagram, and the sub-multiples are decigram, centigram and milligram. And pay attention to the note that 1 ton equal 1000 kilogram. So if you want to convert from ton to kilogram, we must multiply by 1000. 3 times 1000 equal 3000. The second example, from kilogram to ton, here we use divide by 1000 because we are converting from smaller unit to largest one. So we divide by 1000 and the result will be 870. Now from gram to kilogram, you can see in the table that we have 3 units between gram and kilogram, or 3 steps, so we divide by 1000. From centigram to gram, you can see also from the table that we have 2 units between centigram and gram, or 2 steps, so we divide by 100. 4 divided by 100 equals 0.04. The last example, 4.7 hectogram to decigram. Between them they have 3 steps, but here we multiply by 1000 because we are converting from larger unit to smaller one. So we multiply by 1000 and we move the point 3 steps to the right. So the result will be 4700. Now the unit of capacity. The main unit of capacity is liter. Its multiples are kiloliter, hectoliter and decaliter, and the sub-multiples are deciliter, centiliter and milliliter. And liter is the same as decimeter cube. Here we have 3 examples. To convert from hectoliter to liter, You can see in the table that we have two steps between liter and hectoliter. So we multiply by 100. 45 times 100 is 4,500. The second example is from centiliter to hectoliter. You can see that we have 4 steps between centiliter and hectoliter. So we divide by 10,000 and we move the point 4 steps to the left. The last example is 13 decaliter to kiloliter. You have 2 steps between decaliter and kiloliter, so we divide by 100. 13 divided by 100 is 0.13. At last, here we have two notes, the unit of area and the unit of volume. The main unit of area is meter squared, and it has its multiples and submultiples that are kilometer squared, hectometer squared, decameter squared, and decimeter squared, centimeter squared, and millimeter squared. But here, between each two units, we have 100. The same as well as the unit of volume, kilometer cube, hectometer cube, decameter cube, meter cube, decimeter cube, centimeter cube, and millimeter cube. Here, between each two units, we have 1000.